How to sell on Kijiji in Canada. Okay, this is a step-by-step tutorial. Just go to Google and then type in Kijiji. So hit on enter and then it will bring you right here. Just select the official website of Kijiji and then it will bring you right here to their platform. Okay, you can scroll through and then you see that over here you can sell anything, any used thing or new thing, anything that you want to sell. Okay, and then it is available on the App Store and then the Play Store as well. Okay, so when you look at the top right hand corner, you see we have the register. I just want you to click on the register. Okay, when you click on the register and then you look at the reasons why you should register, you see that when you register you can post and then edit ads, you can access and then save your favorite ads, you can promote multiple ads at the same time, and then you can reserve your own ads as well. Okay, so when you come to the register, over here you have to put in your first name and then you have to put in your email address, then you select a strong password, then you re-enter the password and then you come down here, you see where we have the create account, then you click on the create account. After that it will bring you right here, and then over here you can see that they have sent an email to the email that you have provided. Okay, so you have to go to your mail and then confirm it. So let's go to our mail. As you can see here, they have sent us a mail. Just click on it and then over here all that you have to do is to click on the confirm and then continue the registration. Okay, so as you can see, it says that click here to confirm your email address. So just click on it and over here just come here, and then when you look at the top right hand corner you see that we have created our account, and when you click on it we have all these my profile, but you have to do these settings first. So just go to account settings. Okay, just click on it and then over here you have to come and then select your profile picture or your business icon. Just come and put it here, your business logo. Okay, then the next thing is to come down here and then place your business address or the postal address or anything. Okay, so that if somebody wants to come physically, the person can contact you. And then also just come and then put your personal phone number or the business phone number over here as well. And then you have to set these preferences. If it is not checked, just check it to receive receipts from all your customers and anything, messages and everything. Okay, so just try and then check everything over here. When you are done, just come here and then click on save changes. It is very important to set this. Okay, so after that, let's go to the top side, the right hand corner. You see we have post ad. You can simply click on post ad, but if you don't see, just click on your profile icon and then go to my ads. Okay, so when you come to my ads, they will say that you haven't posted any ads yet, so just click on to post an ad. When you click on it, the next thing is to title the ad. What are you going to post on their platform? What are you going to sell on their platform? So for this tutorial, I'm going to use home used computers. Okay, then you click on next. After that, it will ask you about the category. We have all these categories. We have the cars, the real estate, we have the job, services, pets, have the community, and then we have the location and renters. But we are going to select buy and sell. Okay, just click on buy and sell, and the category under buy and sell, you will see that we have computers. I'm just using home use computers for only this tutorial. It depends on what you want to sell. Okay, so under it we have laptop. I'm going to select laptop, and over here you have to choose your target location. Where do you want to sell your product? Okay, so I'm going to use Nova Scotia for this tutorial, and then where do you exactly want? Okay, and I'm going to select the Bridgewaters. Okay, then you click on go. As I said, it is for this tutorial. Okay, it will bring you right here over here, so you have to select which of these. So I am the one offering it. Okay, I'm having a laptop that I want to sell. Okay, a home used one. Then over here I have to select the brand, so it is HP laptop that I want to sell. So after selecting it, over here the fulfillment, when you come here you have to select any of these. It is optional, but if you select it, it is the best. Okay, so will you ship it to the customer when the customer buys it, or any of these. If you will ship it, just select it. Beside that, we have the payment. Will you accept cash, physical cash, or you won't accept cash? For safety keeping, I will not accept physical cash, and I'll check that one too. And then what is the size of my laptop? All I have to do is just click on the down and then select the size. It will depend on what you want to sell, okay, on the platform. The next thing is, are you the owner selling this thing? Yes, it is my own thing and I'm selling it, not a business. Then the condition, is it brand new? Is it used or fair? Okay, then you select the condition. So mine, I just bought it and then used it slightly, so I will say it is like new. So as we look here, we have the ads type. Okay, it depends on you, you can change it anytime. I want to sell it as fast within 7 days, so I'll click the urgent, and that is the price. Okay, so after that, I have to describe it. I have to say something small about my laptop. Okay, I want people to buy it, so I will use the home used or the HP computer, and then it is working so that people will contact me. The next thing is the tags. It is very important. The tags are the keywords that people will go to the platform and then search for. So people search for these tags. We are expecting that my laptop will come. So what do you think people go to the platform and then search for? Those are the tags that you have to put it here. At least you have to select 5 of them. Okay, so after selecting the tags and then adding as many as you can, not more than 5, the next thing is to take pictures of your product. Okay, so as you see here, we have media. You have to take at least, for laptops, at least 10 pictures. Okay, and then come to the select image side and then come and then drop it, or you can select all these images. Okay, and then if let's say you have a video of your laptop or whatever thing that you are selling on YouTube, you can also go and then copy the URL and then come and paste it right here. If it is on your website too, you can also come and then paste the link over here. And it depends. Okay, so beside that, the location, as I said earlier, if you are putting it at the certain side, you might leave this one. But if you haven't, just put the location over here. Where is your business located? And then over here, it is the price. It is very important to set the price. Okay, you have to set your price here. If it is not that you want people to see the price, you can also say that if they contact you, then you tell them the price, or you can also check the swap if you want to swap an item. Okay, so check it and then put the price here. So I'm going to select 1,500. So the next thing is the contact information. You can put your business number here, or if you want your personal number too, you can put it right here. Okay, it will appear on the ads when people click on it, so that they can contact you and then you can just negotiate things. So as I said, the ads that you choose, you can change it anytime. We have different types of ads: the top ads, the highlight ad, the urgent ads, the one that we selected, and then we have the home page gallery ads, and we have a website, a whole website ads as well. Okay, so each one is having their prices, and it ranges from $1 to $8 depending on the one that you select, and then they are all within 7 days to 60 days as well. Okay, so after doing everything, the next important thing is to read their terms and then policies very carefully. And then one thing is that you don't have to post duplicate ads. Okay, don't go and then copy somebody's pictures and then come and post it. It will not be accepted. So when you are done, just click on post ads, and then your ads will be live just like this one, and you will make a sale. So this is a step-by-step way on how to sell on Kijiji in Canada.